Hello and welcome. My name is Kamini. I'm going to give you your tarot reading for the month of September. This is going to be for Scorpios, the Vrishik Rashi. It's going to be a general reading, so take what resonates with you. The first card, I see your overall energy for the month of September. I see that in the month of September, you do need clarity in your life. I see that something is not clear and you will get clarity. It can be about a love offer you get in the month of September. I do hope that you look and see if that proposal that you're getting is suitable for you or not. Do not discard it just because you're not interested in it. So please see what it is. Get clarity about anything that you feel is not clear to you, and take steps ahead once you get clarity. So it can be a love offer or it can be something else, but get clarity and move ahead. Take the steps ahead in the month of September. Now, your love reading for the month of September is the Eight of Wands. Now I see that something very fast coming to you in your life in terms of love. Maybe some kind of it can be anything. It can be a love offer, it can be a function, it can be something very fast coming in your life in the month of September. And I also see the dating card here coming for you in the month of September. Now, this card comes when you are dating in the month of September, of course, but you need to ask the right questions when you date someone, okay? Whether you're single, it is, of course, for single people. Whether you're looking out for a long-term relationship, ask the questions that are needed to be asked, and don't be very direct, but ask the questions and get the answers for it. Now you also have the patience card here. I have a feeling that you need to be patient also with the proposals that come to you, or your dating scene, where you have to be a little patient with your partner. Okay, don't lose your patience with them. Date properly, which means that you need to do the things that need to be done, but dating period is a period when you are getting to know each other, so be very polite and find out what needs to be found, in the sense that be interactive, ask for questions, have a good dating period, and be patient with your partner, because this proposal I feel is good for you in the month of September if you're looking for long term relationship, marriage. And the other card is a relationship card. I tell the truth with grace and love, and my relationships are transformed. So be honest and be patient with your partner, and be very clear what you want in a relationship, and ask your partner, your potential partner, okay? Because I see the proposal coming to you is very good. I feel it's coming at a very high speed, and it's going to come quickly to you in the month of September. Don't have this energy of not being interested. Just look at it, just see whether it is suitable for you. Be patient with it, okay? Get the clarity that you want, and once you get clarity, move ahead with the proposal, okay? Let me see what else is coming for you. In terms of your health, because this is 2020 and we do have to take care of our health much more, okay? So I see overall you're quite happy with your life. You have your friends, you have your family with you, especially your friends. You have maybe 3 friends here. It can be any gender. You enjoy your life, you party, or you just have a good time with them, but don't enjoy too much also, because there needs to be a reason to celebrate, okay? Apart from this, I see your physical health as I listen to my body and honor its wisdom. So, whenever you feel down, whenever you feel physically not well off, you need to take your rest in the month of September. Okay, and finally, you have the Healer of the Ages card. This is quite a good card to get if you're healing. You have that energy of healing yourself whenever you're down. Okay, by listening to your body and honoring its wisdom whenever you feel not very good, take care of your body. And you know if you are partying too much, yes, you need to celebrate whatever comes, but keep that in moderation in the month of September. That's what I feel. Apart from this, let me see what is your career coming. You have the Nine of Pentacles coming for you. Now, career wise, financially, you are in a very comfortable position. Okay, you may want to go even further, like the 10 of coins, all that. But then, right now, you are very much comfortable in the month of September. In your career and finance, I do see the yin yang card coming for you. I see that you are in your career, sometimes you feel you are too passive and sometimes you're too active. So keep a consistent energy if you want to go ahead in your career. Keep things consistent. Okay, and an affirmation for your work life: as I use my gifts and talents to serve others, doors open to support my success. So, what I see is you have a lot of gifts, talents, and you need to maybe serve others. Doors open to support your success. So, somewhere you can give something back to society by using your gifts and talents, by serving others, with your gifts and talents, and definitely you'll be more successful in life. That's what it says. Overall, I see a very fine September for you in terms of career, finance, health. Okay, so if you have liked my reading, if it's benefited you in some way, you can give me a thumbs up. You can subscribe to my channel. You can leave a comment. I do give personal readings. So till then, take care of yourself in the month of September. Thank you so much.